Today I would like to teach parts of speech. It is the most important topic for class 8. Come to the definition of the parts of speech. According to their use, words are classified into different groups called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. First, noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, or a thing. Once more again, a noun is the name of a person, place, or a thing. For example, Ram calls me. In this sentence, Ram is noun. And second, he sold gold in the market. Gold, market, noun. So Ram and gold and market, these are nouns. And second, pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in the place of noun. A pronoun is a word which is used in the place of a noun. For example, I did my work. So in this sentence, I and my both are pronouns. And second, they called me. In this sentence, they and me are pronouns. Come to topic number 3, verb. A verb is a word which shows an action. Once more again, a verb is a word which shows an action. For example, Amisa told me a story. In this sentence, told is our verb because it shows an action. Second sentence, she invites me at dinner. Invites is our verb because it shows an action. And number 4, adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Once more again, an adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, he is a brave boy. In the given sentence, brave is our adjective because it qualifies a noun boy. Second, I found him dead. Dead is our adjective because it qualifies a pronoun him. Number 5, adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies a verb or another adverb. Once more again, an adverb is a word which modifies a verb or another adverb. For example, she runs slowly. Slowly is our adverb because it modifies a verb runs. Second sentence, Sony comes to me silently. So silently is our adverb because it modifies a verb comes. So we can say slowly and silently both are adverbs. Number 6, preposition. A preposition is a word which shows relation between a noun or a pronoun. Once more again, a preposition is a word which shows relation between a noun or a pronoun. For example, number 1, Alia jumped into the river. So in this sentence, into is our preposition because it shows relation between Alia and the river. Second sentence, she came to me. In this sentence, to is our preposition because it shows relation between she and me. Number 7, conjunction. A conjunction is a word which joins two words, sentences or clauses. Once more again, a conjunction is a word which joins two words, sentences or clauses. For example, in the first sentence, Ram and Syam came to me. And is our conjunction because it joins two words, Ram and Syam. And second sentence, either Ramu or Lata went away. So either or both are conjunction because it joins Ramu and Lata. And number 8, interjection. An interjection is a word which shows a sudden feeling of heart, as joy, sorrow, sympathy, disgust. For example, hurrah, we have won the match. In this sentence, hurrah shows happy. Second, ah, he is dead. In this sentence, ah shows sorrow. And number third, brave, he had done well. In this sentence, brave shows approval. Close. Okay. Come to homework. Find out preposition and conjunction in the following sentences. First, he came to me. Second, neither she nor Ram plays a game. Third, they laughed at me. And number four, Mamta and Rama called me.